Hello, let me show you all the camera features that you can find on the Redmi Pad 2. So we got the camera over here and all the settings that we have. First of all, there is the photo mode, and by clicking here on the left side, we can quickly change the filter that will adjust color and the temperature of the photo. Over here, we can quickly zoom in and zoom out. So on this device, we can zoom in up to the 5 times. And by clicking here, we can enter for the Google Lens. But when we click over here on this arrow, we can turn on and off HDR. We can also change aspect ratio. So for example, we can get the full frame, the full screen will be as our video or the photo preview. We can also find timer from 3, 5 or 10 seconds. We get also the camera watermark that you can actually customize. And now let's go to the another option. There is the video mode. So in the video mode, we can record full HD video or HD video, and we can only record videos in the 30 frames per second. For the zoom feature, we can also zoom in up to the 5 times. By opening some settings, we got the aspect ratio that we can change, but also we got the teleprompter feature. So what you can do with this one, basically you can input here any text that you want. If you want to edit this text, you will have to click over here. You can for sure import text from some documents or from your keyboard, and basically you can type here wherever you want, and when you start recording your videos, you will be able to read directly from this pool. You can also change it. You can make it bigger, smaller, wider or shorter. And by clicking here, you can change the text size, the scrolling speed, so you can read faster or slower. And when we click over here, nothing happening. Now we can find option to scan documents in the original colors and the black and white, and we can also enhance. Now by going to the standard settings, we have to just go over here. And as you can see, we can find the picture quality option, we can find shutter type, we get also the video option for the automatic frame rate, some general settings like the volume buttons function, the shutter sound while you are taking the photos. And yeah, that's basically all the features that you can find on this camera and the Redmi Pad 2nd generation.